This one here is gonna be for my gamers, my video game players, right? I got something for you to consider. Just for the people that's out there that's really the games. I know a lot of people that's gamers, right, that don't really have an income. They love the game, but they also ask you to borrow something, okay? So these are the people that I'm trying to reach here. If this come across you, this is something to consider. This ain't to degrade you or do anything like that. It's just to give you another perspective and just something to consider. You know, you can still game and make money, right? So I'm talking about getting Class A CDL and maybe becoming a truck driver and making you a good living. You know, getting you some good pay and still being able to do what you want to do. You know, it's a lot of guys that like to buddy up, you know, and they game all day, all night, and don't really have an income, you know. And you can kind of, you and your buddy or your girl, the guy, however you do it, singly or as a couple, you can all get CDLs. You know, I say the S on CDLs because it's few of y'all getting it, but it is a CDL, so don't get it twisted, right? You know, I know a lot of people like to be critical of that thing now when you put the S on the CDL, but it depends on what you're talking about, right? So just consider this. Consider you and your buddy going out. You both acquire Class A CDL. You guys can team drive, right? You can team drive, run across the country together, make money together, and still game together, right? You can put a TV in your truck, whatever game console or platform you're on, PlayStation, whatever. I don't game, so I don't really know, you know. But you can put that in your truck, and you can play games while you make money. You know, so this is just a perspective. You know, it won't. You know, everybody won't like it. You know, some people will be offended and all that. It ain't meant to offend. It ain't meant to degrade. It's just meant to open your eyes up to something different out here and still be productive out here. You know, because there's always been a shortage on truckers for as long as I've been in it, you know. But, you know, you can kind of help fill that gap and do something good for yourself, you know, and your family, and if you got kids, you know. For me, trucking is a way of life and all that, so I won't really get into all that, but I have you consider something that you probably never have when it comes to trucking. And this is my opinion, you know. Truckers out here, truck drivers are freaking superheroes, you know, if you ask me. You know, we are superheroes, all of us out here that's out here trucking, because we out here doing something that a lot of people won't do. A lot of people can't do it, a lot of people won't do it, you know, because it is a sacrifice. You know, you're sacrificing a lot, but everybody don't have families. You know, and I'm just kind of speaking to some of the things that people say, the reason why they don't. You know, some people can't leave their guy or their girl. You know, yeah, I got a family, I got little kids and all that, and that's a lot of everyone of us have that story, right? All of us have families and all that. You know, there are single people out here. I mean, you get people from all walks. People got all kinds of stories and all that. You know, but never let that one thing keep you from coming out here in the trucking industry and make money. And I respect everybody that consider the family. You should consider your family. You know, you should consider your kids. That's number one. For me, my kids are grown, so, you know, and I'm trucking. You know, I've been trucking 10 years now. My son is 28, my daughter's 25, right? So I didn't miss anything with them coming up, you know. So I'm not saying just give up what you got going. Give up your family and all that. I'm just talking about the non-productives out here that play a lot of video games, and nothing wrong with gaming, but the people that's do that more than you get out and make money. I put it that way. You can get out here in this trucking industry and you can make you a good living. You can still game. And if you bunch up with your guys, all y'all can truck. All y'all can game from all over the country, you know. But it's just a perspective, just a thought. about the people that does that, you know, that sit around and game all day and don't really make money. So don't beat me up about it, you know, for the people that may come across this video and don't like it, you know, and consider it. You know, you can change your life out here.